Hello students, now I am going to explain 10th class maths paper 1 chapter 1 real numbers children. So we have completed exercise 1.3. So next, numbers in real life situations. So where we will use numbers in real life situations, we will see some examples children. Integers. So integers are used mainly in the banks as a debit or withdraw. As a debit or withdraw. So if you are taking amount from your bank account, so your current balance will become less. So less means negative integers, and credit or deposit means positive. If you are adding certain amount to your current amount, so you will be adding, you are doing your plus operation, so positive. In that way we will use so many examples children, integers in daily life, real life situations. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers means report cards. You can take report cards. See your 10th class marks are, suppose total 10th class marks are 600. Suppose if you take 600 by out of 600, you how many, some people will get 540, 550, 585. So fraction it is coming or not children in P by Q form. So report cards comes under real life situations, means rational numbers. Next, measuring weight. Measuring weight, your weight or some other weights. Next, irrational numbers. For calculation of compound interest, for calculation of compound interest, comma EMI, equal monthly installments. So many people will take EMI to purchase automobiles, etc. So that EMI calculation depends on irrational number. So in banks they use e value, which is an irrational number. So based on this e value they will calculate EMI children. E value is equals to 2.71828, so on. So based on this value only they will calculate EMIs. So next, theorem children, theorem 1.6. Let P be a prime number if P divides A square, where A is a positive integer, then P divides A. Then P divides A. Or symbolically, if P divides A square means then P divides A. So do this children. Verify the statement proved above for P is equals to 2, P is equals to 5, and for A square equal to 1, comma 4, comma 9, comma 25, comma 36, comma 49, comma 64 and 81. So here in this way I have written the box children. Here A square values are given in our question. C children, A square 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. And first p value is given how much children? 2. P value is 2. So if it is given A square values, you can find just simply A values children. Root 1 means 1, root 4 means 2, root 9 means 3, 16 means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here P divides A square children. We are having formula now only I told. Here P divides A square means P divides A. So P divides A square. So in 2 divides 1 means in 2 table 1 will come children? No. Here also no. Next same 2, 4. So in 2 table 4 will come or not? Yes. And automatically this condition also it is satisfies. Why? Because 2 divides 2. Next 2 divides 9. In 2 table 9 will come children? No. Similarly this is also no. Next 2 divides 16. In 2 table 16 will come. Yes. It is also yes. Next 2 divides 25 means condition is no. Here also no. Next 2 divides 36 means yes. Next here also yes. Next 2 divides 49 means no. Here also no. 2 divides 64 means yes. 232 the. Here also yes. Next 2 divides 81 means no. Here also no. Similarly, next p value is there how much children? 5. So write A square as it is, A values as it is, P value all 5's only. Now P divides A square, P divides A. So 5 table 5 divides 1 children? No. It is also no. 5 divides 4. In 5 table 4 will come? No. Here also no. 5 divides 9? No. Next 5 divides 16 also no. This is also no. 5 divides 25, yes. By 5 means this also yes. Next 5 divides 36 means no. It also no. Next 5 divides 49, no. It is also no. 5 divides 64, in 5 double 64 will come, no. It is also no. 5 divides 81, no. It is also no. So next problem children, example 7. Show that root 2 is irrational. This is very important 4 marks question children, and it is model 1. Solution: given to show that root 2 is an irrational number. So let us assume that root 2 is a rational number. Let root 2 is equals to a by b, comma HCF of co-primes a comma b is equals to 1. I already explained this brackets means HCF in previous videos. So to remove root, we have to do squaring on both sides children. Root 2 square equal to a by b whole square. Square root cancel. 2 is equal to a square by b square. Do the cross multiply children. This division will become multiplication. 2b square equal to a square. So consider 2 divides 2b square children. See children, under root prime values is asking to prove irrational means this is a process you have to follow children. This is a process. So in our question is given 2. If it is given 3 means you should consider here 3 divides and whatever value you will get here you should follow that. So if it is given in question 5 means 5 you should consider. 7 means 7, 11 means 11, 13 means 13. So whatever under root prime number is given, that prime number you should consider. So in our question prime number is 2 is given. 2 divides, so whatever value you got here with constant quotient, that you should take. Don't take this one first only, take constant quotient. So 2 divides 2b square. So that is nothing but 2 divides 2b square value how much children, from 1 a square. So now only I told children, if p divides a square means then p divides a, means 2 divides a, equation 2. Now consider this a as it is children, is equals to write this 2 as it is and take another variable. Suppose assume c. Why? Because already we have taken b. Now do squaring on both sides. So a square equal to 2c square. So a square equal to, write square separately, 2 square into c square. 2 square is 4 c square. So a square how much children, from 1 2b square. 2b square equal to 4c square, from 1 send to that side. Multiplication will become division. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So b square equal to how much children, 2c square. Equation number 3. Now consider same process children. In our question under root 2 is there, prime number is 2. So 2 divides, take the variable constant quotient. 2 divides 2c square. So this is nothing but 2 divides 2c square value how much children, from 3 b square. So already formula we are having, p divides a square means then p divides a, then 2 divides b. Equation 4. From 2 and 4 we obtain that 2 is a common factor of a and b. See here, from 2 we got here 2 and from 4 also we got 2. So from equation 2 and 4 we obtained that 2 is a common factor of a and b. So our assumption is wrong. Why? Because how much you should get, HCF 1, but we got 2. So our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is irrational number. So this is very important 4 marks children. Next example 8. Show that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. So it is model number 2 children, important 2 marks. So it is a combination of rational number. 5 is a rational number children. Why? Because 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So it is a irrational. So given to show that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Let us assume 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. So 5 minus root 3 equal to a by b, comma HCF of co-primes a comma b equal to 1. So here send this a by b this side children, left side, and send minus 3 right side children. This plus will become minus, this minus will become plus. So here what is LCM children? B, means 5 into b is 5b minus a by b equal to root 3. Therefore root 3 equal to 5b minus a by b. But for any values of a comma b, and b should not be equal to 0, b not equal to 0, 5b minus a by b is a rational number. So if you take a and b values, any values, b is other than 0, you'll get a rational number. But clearly it is a irrational number. But we know that root 3 is an irrational. Why? Because now only we have proved root 2 is irrational under root prime number. So here root 3 also prime number only. So it is a irrational number. So irrational number not equal to rational number. So our assumption is wrong. 5 minus root 3 is a irrational number. Is it clear, children? Next example 9. Show that 3 root 2 is irrational. Given to show that 3 root 2 is irrational. So here it is a combination of rational number into irrational number. 3 is a rational number. Why? Because 3 can be written as 3 by 1 p by q form. So let us assume 3 root 2 is rational number. So 3 root 2 equal to a by b, comma HCF of co-primes a comma b equal to 1. Send 3, that's it, children. Multiplication will become division a by 3b. But any values of a comma b and b not equal to 0, a by 3b is a rational number. But we know that already root 2 is irrational number. So irrational number not equal to rational number. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore 3 root 2 is a irrational number. Is an irrational number. So this is also important. Model number 3, 2 marks question, children. Now example 10. It is very important. 4 marks, model number 4. Show that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So given to show that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So let us assume root 2 plus root 3 is irrational number. So let us assume root 2 plus root 3 equal to a by b, comma SCF of co-primes a comma b equal to 1. So now children, you can send either root 2 left side or root 3 left side. So in this question I have sent root 2 left side. So this plus will become minus a by b minus root 2. So to remove the square root, we have to do squaring on both sides. So do squaring on both sides, children. Root 3 square equal to a by b minus root 2 whole square. So square root cancel, children. Here it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equals to a by b is equals to root 2. Means a by b whole square minus 2 into a by b root 2 into root 2 square. Square root cancel, children, again. So this is the next step. A by b whole square means a square by b square is minus 2 root 2. 2 into root 2 how much? 2 root 2 a by b plus 2. Now bring this to this side, children. Plus will become minus. So 3 minus 2 how much? 1. Now send this root value this side, this constant this side. So this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. So in next step what I wrote, children, this 2 root 2a I have written as 2a into root 2. Why? Because same step it will come, children, by b equal to a square. So here LCM is b square. So I wrote a square as it is minus 1 into b square is b square by b square. So in this b, that side, children, division will become multiplication. So 1b gets cancelled. So remaining part is 2a into root 2 equal to a square minus b square by b. So send this 2a that side, children. Multiplication will become division. So 2a into b is nothing but 2ab. So for any values of a comma b, a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, a square minus b square by 2ab is an rational number. Is a rational number, children. If you keep any values here, so already I have proved root 2 is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Why? Because irrational number not equal to rational number. So our assumption is wrong. Root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So it is very important 4 marks model, children. Next note, children. The sum of two irrational numbers need not be irrational. The sum of two irrational numbers need not be irrational. So it is very important 2 marks question, children. So if a is equals to root 2 if we are taking, b is equals to minus root 2 if taking, then a plus b is equals to root 2 plus of minus root 2. This is nothing but I wrote this root 2 as it is. Plus into minus is minus. root 2. Root 2 minus root 2 is 0. It is a rational number. So it is very very important, children. Next note also, the product of two irrational numbers need not be irrational. If you take example here, if a is equals to root 2, b is equals to 3 root 2, then ab is equals to root 2 into 3 root 2. I wrote this 3 as it is. So root 2 into root 2 is root 2 square root cancel. 3 to the is how much? 6, which is a rational number. So this is possible only when if you are taking same numbers under root prime numbers. So if you are taking here plus sign means here you should take minus sign and same number. If you are taking here minus means here you should take plus. Then only it is possible. Same condition here also. Under root values I have taken same, children. See your prime numbers. So it is very very important for your examination. 2 marks as well as objective and competitive also. Next exercise 1.4, children. Prove that the following are irrational. So these are the 5 questions is given. So these are all models I have told now only. So first one, 1 by root 2, children. So given to prove that 1 by root 2 is an irrational. So let us assume 1 by 2 is rational number. So 1 by root 2 equal to a by b. HCF of co-primes is 1. So do squaring on both sides, children. 1 by root 2 square equal to a by b whole square. So 1 square by root 2 square is equals to a square by b square, children. Square root cancel. 1 square means 1 by 2 is equals to a square by b square. So now, children, send here to that side. B square this side, children. So 1 into b square is b square equal to 2a square. So same like root 2 only we have to prove this, children. Why? Because it is the reciprocal. So consider 2 divides. Why? Because in our question 1 by root 2 is there. Under root prime number, which number is there, children? 2 only. 2 divides. You have to take variable constant. So for variable constant is there, which constant is there, that you should take combination of constant you should take. So 2 divides 2 square 2a square. So 2 divides 2a square means how much, children? B square. From 1 I wrote. So I already told the formula, children. P divides a square means P divides a. This should be straight, children. So 2 divides b, equation number 2. So consider same b is same variable, b is equals to whatever number is there here, write that 2. So take another alphabet. So c. Why? Because already a is there, children. So do squaring on both sides. So b square equal to 2c square. So b square how much, children? We got from 1 2a square you got, children, is equals to 2 square is 4 c square. From 1 I wrote, children. Send to that side. So do the cancellation, children. Here 2 ones are 2 to the. So a square equal to 2c square, children. Again consider same process, children, like this only. 2 divides 2c square. So for variable constant combination you should take 2 divides 2c square. So 2 divides 2c square value how much, children? A square. From 3 I wrote, children. So is if p divides a square means how much, children? P divides a square means p divides a. So 2 divides a. So from 2 and 4 what we got, children? Here 2 is a common for a and b. But it's co-primes of HCF how much you should get, children? 1. So our assumption is wrong, children. Why? Because from 2 and 4 we get 2 is a common factor of a and b. Our assumption is wrong. So therefore 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Next, children, in the second one, root 3 plus root 5. Model 4 like you should do, children. This one important, 4 marks. So given to prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. So let us assume root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. So root 3 plus root 5 equal to a by b, comma HCF of co-primes equal to 1. Now, children, you can send either root 3 that side or root 5 that side. So now I am sending here root 5 that side. Plus will become minus, children. So do squaring on both sides to remove the square. So root 3 square equal to a by b minus root 5 whole square. So square root cancel, children. Again it is a formula we are having a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square children, a square minus 2ab plus b square children. So here a value is how much? A by b. B value is how much children? Root 5. Root 5. Root 5. So here a by b whole square minus 2 into a by b into root 5 plus root 5 square. So now square root cancel children. So here a by b whole square means a square by b square minus 2 into root 5 is 2 root 5 a by b plus 5. Now children, send this root value minus value this side, this plus value that side. So this minus will become plus, plus will become minus children. So here we got, so 5 minus this 2 root 5 a, I wrote as 2a into root 5 children by b is equal to a square plus a square by b square. 5 minus 3 how much? 2 children. Next send now do the LCM children here in RHS part. What is the LCM? B square. So a square plus 2 into b square is 2b square by b square. Now send b that side children. This division will become multiplication. So 1b gets cancelled children. So what is the remaining part? A square plus 2b square by b. Now send 2a that side children. This multiplication will become division. B into 2a is 2ab. So for any values of a comma b, a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, a square plus 2b square by 2ab is rational number. So it is clearly irrational number, under root prime number. So irrational is not same as rational. So our assumption is wrong. So therefore root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. So this is this like you should prove children, very important 4 marks question. Next in this third one children, 6 plus root 2 given to prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So let us assume 6 plus root 2 is rational number. So 6 plus root 2 equal to a by b. So HCF of co-primes a comma b equal to 1. Send this 6 that side children. This is like same model 2. So plus will become minus. So here what is the LCM children? B is the LCM. Write a as it is. 6 into b is 6b by b. So for any values of a comma b, so a comma b comma b is not equals to 0. So a minus 6b by b is a rational number children. So our assumption is wrong. So 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. Why? Because irrational and rational both are not same. So 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. So it is important 2 marks question children. Next question. Root 5 children. Same like root 2 only should do. So given to prove that root 5 is irrational. So let us assume root 5 is rational number. Root 5 equal to a by b. So HCF of co-primes is a comma b equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. So root 5 equal to a by b whole square. So now cancel square root children. So 5 is equal to a by b whole square means a square by b square. So now do cross multiplication children here. So send this b square that side. Division will become multiplication. 5b square equal to a square. So I already told before only children, whatever under root prime number is given, that you should consider. So consider 5. So here 5 is given prime number. 5 divides combination of constant quotient. 5 divides 5b square. So 5 divides 5b square means a square is the children from 1. So we are having formula p divides a square means how much children? P divides a. So means 5 divides a. Equation number 2 children. So now consider this a as it is, 5 as it is. So I will take another variable c. Do squaring on both sides children. So a square equal to 5c square. So a square equal to 5 square separately, c square separately. 5 square means 5 5 is 25, c square. So what is the value of a square children? 5b square from equation 1. So send 5 that side children. 5 1 the 5. Multiplication will become division. 5 1 the 5, 5 5 the. So b square equal to 5c square children. Equation number 3. So now consider same step children like this only. 5 divides here constant quotient 5c square. So 5 divides 5, what is the value of 5c square children here? B square you got from equation number 3. So 5 divides b square, so p divides a square means p divides a means 5 divides b. So from equation 2 and 4 we get the 5 is a common factor of a and b. So what we should get? HCF should get 1, but we got 5. So root 2 is an irrational number. So is it clear children? Important, 4 marks. Next, fifth one, 3 plus 2 root 5 children. Important, 2 marks it is. So given to show that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So let us assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number. So let us assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is equals to a by b, HCF of co-primes a comma b equal to 1. So send 3 this side, that side children, plus will become minus. So here what is LCM? B. So a minus b into 3 is b, 3b by b, 3b by b. So here children, 2 root 5 can be written as 2 into root 5. So that only I have written, and I have written RHS as it is. Send to that side children, multiplication will become division, a minus 3b by 2b. So for any values of a comma b, b not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, it is enough children. So a minus 3b by 2b is a rational number, and also we know that root 5 is irrational. Now only we have proved. Why? Because irrational and rational numbers both cannot be equal. So our assumption is wrong. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. So important, 2 marks children. In this way you can solve the problems easily. Next, second one children, here prove that generally root p plus root q is irrational where p comma q are primes. So given to prove that root p plus root q is irrational. Here root p and root q are irrationals and p comma q are prime numbers strictly. So root p plus root q is equal to irrational plus irrational is irrational only. Hence root p plus root q is are irrational numbers. So is it clear children? So in this exercise 1.4 you'll get compulsorily every time is asking either 4 marks or 2 marks compulsory questions children. So prepare well. So next I will tell exponents in next video children. Okay.